Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. My name is Imo Friday. Thank you for tuning to my channel this day. We will continue from where we stopped in my previous video and stay on the topic of exponents. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, so let's go straight to the teaching today. So we are going to be looking at raising a product to power. So we are going to quickly take one example here. So we are going to take this, let's say A, B raised to power what n. This is before that expressed as A m times what m. So I'm going to take a quick example to illustrate this quickly so we can understand this concept. So example one. So let's say you have x y raised to power what 4. So this before that expressed as x raised to power 4 times what y raised to power what 4. So as simple as that. So that is just what it is, and that now we cannot apply the product rule here because the base are not the same. So that is what it is, and that is what we have there. And also this can also be in the case where of exponential function. The next concept we'll be looking at here quickly, we'll be raising, we're looking at raising a quotient, okay, to a power. Right, so let me take an example on that quickly. So this should be in this form a over b raised to power m. So if you apply to the other concept, so this becomes a raised to power m and what b raised to power m. So the same concept applies too. So we're going to take an example that illustrates and their condition. In this condition, this is true if a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. So for these properties to be true, a must not be 0 and b should be 0. So we'll look at a more practical example on this. So let's take the last concept on this. The last concept on the properties of exponential function for clarity. So we'll look at this last one in an event where your index is negative, still under raising quotient to power. Okay, so we're going to look at this. We're going to look at a over b in the event where this is negative m. You know, in the previous video I explained it. Whenever you have index raised to power minus n, it's always expressed as 1 over a raised to power n, right? So we're going to apply the same concept to what we have here. So this becomes 1 over all bracket a b raised to power what m being our exponent. I hope this is clear. If you need further clarification, if you need further explanation on this, I'm going to explain to you. However, we are going to take example that covers all what we've done so far. So for understanding sake, and I'm going to give you guys some homework so you can submit to do for your own practice, because the best way to understand mathematics is for you to practice. So once you practice, you become, right? So let's take example that illustrate all that we've done so far and so good, right? So let's quickly run that. So let's take this. Let's take example one. Let's look at. So I'm going to write out the example in this video, okay? Because I tend to keep the video short so that it doesn't get boring. You are not tired of watching to the end. So I'm going to make this short. So I'm going to write the examples here. So we continue the solution in the next video. All right. So example one will be simplify each of the following, right? So the first one here will be y minus 2 and y raised to power 4. So this y raised to power. So take note, the fact that you are seeing nothing here, either dot or multiplication, it just shows that this is actually together. There's a multiplicative sign in between them. So the second example you'll be looking at here will be 28 x raised to the power 7 over 7 x raised to the power 3, right? So the third example we'll be looking at here will be x raised to the power 4 and all in all brackets raised to the power 3. So the fourth example we'll be considering here will be 3y minus 2 raised to the power of 5. So the last example we'll be looking at here, number 5, will definitely be 45 x raised to the power 4 y raised to the power 2 all over 9w minus 8 all raised to the power of minus 3. Yeah, so if you have your writing materials with you, kindly write down this example somewhere. I'm going to call them out again so you get it correctly. So the first example that we have here, we still have one last example here. One last example here would be x raised to the power 5 y raised to the power minus 2 all over, all in bracket x raised to the power 3 y raised to the power 2, provided x is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. That should apply it to. So for w and also. So let me just go through this example once again so you can get it correctly. So this is y raised to the power minus 2 y raised to the power 4, right? This is 28 x raised to the power 7 all over 7 x raised to the power 3. This is open bracket x raised to the power minus 4 close bracket raised to the power 3 all to the power of 3. So number 4 example is 3 open bracket 3y raised to the power minus 2 close bracket all raised to the power 5. So this is open bracket 45x raised to the power minus 4 y raised to the power 2 all over 9w raised to the power minus 8. Take note, it's minus 8 all in brackets raised to the power minus 2. And the last example which is x raised to the power 5 y raised to the power minus 2 all over open bracket x raised to the power 3 y raised to the power 2 close bracket. Yeah, this is where we'll stop today in this tutorial video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button below so you get notified whenever I upload subsequent videos. So we will continue the solution in the next video. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how we are going to solve this so you can learn, and also you are going to lay your hands on other example. I may not write examples on the board, but I want you to go out there, search for questions. That's how to learn. Search for questions in this area and attempt solving them. So if you have any challenge, you can always comment in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you on this. So this is where we'll stop for today. Thank you so much for staying until the end. My name is More Friday, and see you in my next video as we work this out. Bye bye for now.